Welcome. You are watching Sargo Education. Today we will solve another mathematical problem of force. In this example, we use formula of momentum. Here the question is a truck is moving with velocity of 20 meter per second of mass 700 kg and collide with the truck of mass 1300 kg when it is raised, and the two tracks are united together and combination is moving into the forward direction. Now the question is find the combined velocity of two tracks. Okay, now first we make a figure of this question. That is, here it is a track of mass m1 700 kg and it go forward with velocity to 20 meter per second. That is, u1 is 20 meter per second. And another truck is here and it is in stable position. That is, u2 is 0 meter per second. And its mass is m2, that is 1300 kg. The truck pushes this car. The truck collide this truck and they move into forward. Now we have to find out the final velocity or combined velocity of two trucks. Okay, now we'll write here which we will get from here. Okay, mass of first truck is m1 700 kg. Mass of second truck is m2 1300 kg. Velocity of first truck is u1 20 meter per second and velocity of second truck is u2 equals to 0 meter per second, and combined velocity is v. Now we have to find out value of this. Now we know that the formula of momentum P equals to m into v. Now for two cases we write m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equals to m1v plus m2v. Now we can rewrite is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equals to v into m1 plus m2. Now changing side, we can write v equals m1 plus m2 here and m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is here. Now we put this value. m1 is 700 into here velocity is 20 plus m2 is 1300 into velocity is 0 here, and m1 plus m2 here is 700 plus 1300. Now the multiplying this we get 1000, 14,000, and summation of this is 2000. After dividing this we'll get 7. So the combined velocity is 7 meter per second. I think you will understand my video. If you understand my video, please give like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.